Good morning friends, I am Ayush Samantrai and welcome to my channel Hit and Run. Today you are watching the third part of our HTML tutorial series. If you have not still watched the first and second part, you can watch them right now because without watching them you cannot continue to this part of the video. So I will provide you the link to the part 1 and part 2. And today we are going to learn how can we install code editor, write, create, edit and update HTML files in our Android. So our first step is to install code editor. For that I need to open Play Store and search here for code editor. I always use code editor for writing any kind of code or running it in my Android. And code editor is nearly the best compiler and also the code IDE for Android. It not only allows you to write and edit more than 1000 kinds of programming language with syntax, coloring and autofill and suggestions. It also provides you a compiler. It provides you a compiler for running any kind of programming language. Means you can write Python or HTML or CSS or JavaScript and you can even run it from there. So you need to come to this page. I may provide you the link in the description for the code editor, and as I have already installed it, so install button is not visible, but believe me, for you install button will be visible, and when you click on the install button the code editor will start getting installed. Then you can open it. The opening interface or the starting page or the opening page of the code editor will look somewhat like this. To start writing or to get started with code editor, just click on this file symbol visible on the top bar. So I clicked on it and now you can see a new option. When we click on it, a new file will be created. Now the name of this file is untitled. So before we begin writing any HTML code, first we need to save this with any file name, and it should have the extension of .html. So I click on the file symbol and hit save as. From here you can select the destination. For now I go to storage, emulator, and this web development folder I am going to save it here. You can see a plus button on the top right corner, in the bottom right corner. When you click on it, you get two options, create folder and save as. So when we click save as, we are provided a dialog box. Now you can write any name here, let's say index. You can give it any extension, but as we are going to write HTML now, so let me give the HTML extension. So I save it as index.html and click save. Right after saving index.html, a page looking like this will open. Now when you just write exclamation, means here you can write any kind of HTML code. For example h1, and you can write hello world, and you can see a run symbol, a play symbol on the bottom corner. Just click on it, and code editor also comes with a default browser that can run HTML code for you. So when we clicked on the play button, there is a preview. It shows us a preview of the current HTML web page by running our code. And now I am going to tell you the basics or the general settings that we must do to our code editor to make it look decent and better. So now I am going to tell you the general settings for the code editor that will make it look decent and very easy to operate. You can see a like menu like symbol on the top left corner. Just click on it, and now a new menu bar has appeared. From here click on the settings option. So you will reach the settings page. Here I had set the language to automatic. You may come up here, you may set it to English. This is the system language of the code editor. You must turn on the word wrap. When we turn on the word wrap, the word will fit to the screen width. So suggestions should be off, and I have turned on auto indentation. I have given the indentation character to be tab and two space characters. It means that when code editor will add space, then it will add two spaces, and that will look very good. Show line numbers, I have turned off the show invisible characters. Here is the setting for font size. It is default, I have not edited it. It is 12 bottle. My theme is dark theme and my visual style is monokai. So I prescribe you that you must change your settings to this like settings to make it look very decent. Now I am going to share you some personal tips and techniques to make the code editor faster. The HTML skeleton is very long. You need to write doc, type, so it takes a lot of time. But do you know you can just write a exclamation symbol and click on a button so that the codeator will generate the basic boilerplate HTML skeleton for you in a second. So I write the exclamation symbol and now you can see a button on the top left corner of the screen. It looks like a tab button. It is just to the left of the undo button. Just click on it and you can see how great it is. The whole HTML skeleton was generated. Doc type, HTML, head tag, the meta tags, the title and the head, body with all the starting and ending tags also. You can that tab button has many other uses. If you just write h1 and click on the tab button, so it created a h1 tag for you. Just like that, if you just write image and click on the same tab button, then image tag was created for you with the src attribute and your cursor was focused on the src place. Thank you.